Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Thursday, September 4th, 2014. Looking at an intraday trade we took today in Priceline, and it was a phenomenal trade. Actually, I was watching Priceline on a daily chart, and it's been trending lower for the past week, and it's been significantly bearish to the downside. So what we received today was actually a gap higher in Priceline into this resistance level right around 1244. Now we pulled back and we pushed higher. Now we found a lot of resistance right around 1243, 1244. The market was going higher. Priceline started going lower. This was a very clear bearish divergence on a 40-tick chart, so we went ahead and took a position. You can see that the smart bubbles indicator gave us an entry point right here, roughly around 1242 and a half. So 1242 and a half, I took a relatively big position in Priceline, and it proceeded to fall precipitously when the market started to pull back. And there were times when the market pulled back just a little bit and then continued higher. Priceline just continued to fall. It filled the gap. I took a little bit of profits right in this area. This is at 1234, and then it continued to fall. And then right when we hit right around the 1228 level, a little bit lower, I got out because we bounced right here. So you can see how smart bubbles actually kept you in the trade a little bit longer. So what I actually did when I got out right in this zone, right around 1228, we bounced. We actually created a small mini wedge on a half-size tick chart. I actually shorted Priceline again here at 1228, 1229, and it continued to fall. Now, again, we consolidated right in this zone. I saw a bullish divergence on the half-size tick chart. I got out of the position again, and then we dipped a little bit lower, and then right here, right around, I would say 1223 and a half, smart bubbles gave us an exit signal. So right there from 1223 and a half, from 1242 and a half, that is roughly a $19 move right there that smart bubbles could have allowed you to get into. Now you can see just at 1242 we actually got another sell signal, and we're falling again another $6 here in Priceline. But the majority of the trade that we did take is a $19 trade. Now $19 is roughly, I would say, $1,700, $1,800 per contract in Priceline. And that was a tremendous profit. And normally when you trade Priceline, it does get choppy, but there are certain days like today that it just continues to run and run and run. And that's exactly what smart bubbles allowed you to take advantage of. Again, this is a potential $1,800 profit per contract. You trade 10 contracts, that's $18,000. All within one day, all within just about 2 hours. So again, keep those opportunities in mind. Give smart bubbles a try. I think on days that we run like this, it really helps your trading.